This view, this moment right here, Jackfish Lake stretching out as far as you can see. Kids absolutely having a blast. The whole family just free. No schedules, no screens. Just this. We spent 3 of the best days of our lives right here at Battleford's Provincial Park. And today we're taking you along with us. We have spent it in our own simple ways, but the memories last forever. This is day 1, and we're heading off to Battleford Provincial Park. And just like that, we're off. Highway 4 ahead of us, Battleford's Provincial Park waiting at the end of it. Okay, we just had to stop. This incredible overlook just appeared on the side of the road. Look at this landscape, just rolling Saskatchewan prairie as far as the eye can see. Back on the road, and honestly, the drive from here was just beautiful. Smooth highway, big sky, the kind of Saskatchewan landscape that just goes on forever in the best possible way. Max is relaxing, enjoying the ride. We reached the city of North Battleford. We made a quick stop for some pizza. Even Max had the chance to stretch. Trees are getting thicker. The road is getting quieter. And somewhere up ahead, Jackfish Lake is waiting. Okay guys, we are here. We just turned off Highway 4 and honestly, the drive up here alone was already worth it. Look at this. Look at this. Jackfish Lake is right there. Like, we haven't even parked yet and I'm already obsessed. The lake is just massive. It's blue. If you haven't been here, you're definitely missing out. The hills are wrapping all the way around it and the trees are gorgeous. Guys, this place has over 300 campsites. A golf course right on the lake. Boat rentals, hiking trails, fishing. Like, this is a full trip. We are not going to be bored. Not even a little bit. We are pulling into the Battleford's Provincial Park, about 39 kilometers north of North Battleford, Saskatchewan. There is a mini golf, but it won't open until summer of June. And look, there's the beach already. That white sand is calling my name. I'm already planning to just sit by that water for approximately forever. The beach is empty, just so peaceful. There is a shop and food store. As a mom watching this, Max going absolutely wild with happiness. Seeing the kids just laughing, all of us warm and together in our little home on wheels, this right here, this is already worth the whole trip. So this is our setup, just simple. Breakfast time, and it smells so good.
Good morning. Good morning.
What a lovely sight to have breakfast. Fresh air and birds chirping, just paradise. And then the boys grabbed their scooters and they were gone. Max, our Yorkie, outside with the kids. Took it all in, sniffing the cool air, trotting around the site, checking out every blade of grass like it was the most fascinating thing he'd ever encountered. Sometimes you don't need to be doing anything at all. Just lying here, breathing in that campsite air, listening to the birds, feeling the cool breeze on your face. And it was perfect. Nathan trying his chef skills.
Oh! Hey, boy. I got blind. I got blind. I'm not eating the plastic. That's blind.
Oh, it burned his face.
You know what happened?
What?
I was cooking it and then splashed oil on my head. Splashed oil on my face.
After a good lunch, we headed towards the beach. First up, volleyball. Everyone played hard and everyone had an absolutely amazing time. But then the beach was calling. We packed up, grabbed our stuff, and headed down toward Jackfish Lake. Our Yorkie Max had a never-ending zoomies with the kids. This is his first time to be here, and he's absolutely loving it. We found the playground near the beach too, and the kids made absolutely sure we stopped. Climbed everything, slid down everything, completely in their element. The whole beach, just us, no crowds. No noise, just white sand, calm water, and the most peaceful quiet you've ever heard. It felt like we had our own private beach. This was more than just a camping trip. This was one of those family memories that sticks with you forever. Battleford's Provincial Park. You completely delivered. The lake, the beach, the campsite, the playgrounds, the peace and quiet, all of it. These are the moments our kids are going to remember. The scooter rides through the campgrounds. The empty beach that felt like it was made just for us. Max doing his zoomies in the sand. S'mores by the fire on a cool Saskatchewan evening. We made our way back to the campsite as the afternoon settled in around us. That good kind of tired that only a day outdoors can give you. And to close out this perfect day, campfire, marshmallows, s'mores. There is nothing that wraps up a camp day better than sitting around a fire, roasting marshmallows, and making s'mores with your people. If you loved this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps more than you know. And if you want to come along on our next adventure, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a thing. Until next time, take care, make memories, and never pass up a good overlook on the side of the road. We'll see you next time.